topic is relative atomic mass, which is also known as atomic weight. Now first of all we should know the meaning of atomic mass. Atomic mass means the mass of one atom of a chemical substance. Now since the actual masses of the atoms of different elements are very small, for example we can take the mass of one atom of hydrogen is 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. This is a very small value and therefore it is not convenient to use such a small and complicated figure for our calculation, and therefore it was necessary to define the atomic mass in such a way that we get a simple figure for them in order to make our calculation easier. So before understanding the present definition of the atomic mass or relative atomic mass, we should first know the meaning of carbon 12 atom. What is this carbon 12 atom? Carbon 12 atom is that atom of carbon which has 6 protons and 6 neutrons in its nucleus, so that its mass number is 12. Now this carbon 12 atom has been assigned an atomic mass of exactly 12 AMU or 12 unit. Now what is this AMU? Atomic mass of different element is expressed in the unit called atomic mass unit, and it was earlier written as AMU, but nowadays atomic mass unit is expressed or denoted by the letter U only. Now since carbon 12 atom has been assigned mass of one atom of carbon 12 has been assigned an atomic mass of exactly 12 atomic mass unit, so we can say that 12 atomic mass unit is equal to the mass of a carbon 12 atom. 12 atomic mass unit is the mass of one carbon 12 atom, and therefore one atomic mass unit will be equal to 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. 1/12 the mass of a carbon 12 atom. So once again I repeat, one atomic mass unit is equal to 1/12 mass of a carbon 12 atom. And nowadays since atomic mass unit is denoted by the letter U, so we can write down 1 unit is equal to 1/12 mass of a carbon 12 atom. So finally we can define atomic mass unit as atomic mass unit is defined exactly the 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. So from the above discussion it is clear that अगर हमें किसी भी एलिमेंट का एटॉमिक मास फाइंड करना है, then we will take the mass of a carbon 12 atom which is equal to 12 unit as the standard value. Okay. So finally we can say that in order to determine the atomic mass of different elements, we will compare the mass of one atom of that element with the mass of a carbon 12 atom. किसी भी एलिमेंट का अगर हमें एटॉमिक मास फाइंड करना है तो उस एलिमेंट के एक एटम के मास को हम कंपेयर करेंगे with the mass of a carbon 12 atom. So finally we can say that relative atomic, actually the atomic mass of different element is the relative atomic mass, because it is calculated by taking the mass of a carbon 12 atom as the standard value. In terms of carbon 12 atom, you will calculate the atomic mass of different elements, so it is the relative atomic mass. So finally we can say that relative atomic mass is number of times one atom of that element. Relative atomic mass of an element is the number of times one atom of that element heavier than 1/12 mass of a carbon 12 atom. किसी भी एलिमेंट का जो रिलेटिव एटॉमिक मास होता है, इट इंडिकेट्स कि उस एलिमेंट के एक एटम का जो मास है वो कितने टाइम्स हैवियर है देन 1/12 मास ऑफ ए कार्बन 12 एटम. So we can write down relative atomic mass is equal to mass of one atom of that element divided by 1/12 mass of one carbon 12 atom. So now let's take one example. Atomic mass of magnesium is 24 units. So what does this atomic mass of magnesium indicates? It indicates that one atom of magnesium is 24 times heavier than 1/12 of a carbon 12 atom. As I have told you that relative atomic mass of an element is number of times one atom of that element heavier than 1/12 of a carbon 12 atom. But experimentally it was found that mass of a carbon 12 atom is 1.9926 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Experimentally it was found, it was calculated that the mass of a carbon 12 atom is 1.9926 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. And also we have learned in the previous part of the video that 1 unit is equal to 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. So when we will divide the mass of a carbon 12 atom by 12, then we will get the value of 1 unit. You can see here only 1 unit. As I have told you, the mass of a carbon 12 atom was experimentally found equal to 1.9926 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. When it is divided by 12, then we will get the value equal to 1.6605 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So finally we can say that 1 unit or 1 atomic mass unit is equal to 1.6605 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So our next topic is relative molecular mass, which is also known as molecular weight. So relative molecular mass of an element or compound is number that represents how many times one molecule of a substance is heavier than 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. In relative atomic mass, it was there that number of times one atom of an element heavier than 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. But the relative molecular mass of an element is the number that represents how many times one molecule of a substance is heavier than 1/12 of the mass of a carbon 12 atom. Now, in order to calculate the relative molecular mass, we have to add the relative atomic mass of various atoms which are present in a molecule. अगर किसी भी मॉलिक्यूल का अगर हमें रिलेटिव मॉलिक्यूलर मास फाइंड करना है, then we will add the relative atomic mass of different atoms which are present in that molecule. One more thing I would like to tell you that relative atomic mass is given always. Only you have to calculate the relative molecular mass. Let's take one example. Calculate the relative molecular mass of sulfuric acid H2SO4, and it is given that the relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, sulfur 32 and oxygen 60. Relative atomic mass means mass of one atom. So the mass of one atom of hydrogen is 1 here, 32 is of sulfur and 60 is of oxygen. Now we have to calculate the relative molecular mass of H2SO4. So what we will do, since we know that the atomic mass, the relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 1, but in this molecule 2 atoms of hydrogen are present, therefore mass of 2 atoms of hydrogen will be equal to 2 into 1, that is 2 AMU. In the same way, 1 atom of sulfur, it has the relative atomic mass 32, and also in the molecule only 1 atom of sulfur is given. So mass of 1 atom of sulfur equal to 32. Atomic mass of 1 atom of oxygen is 16, but in this molecule 4 atoms of oxygen are given. Therefore, mass of 4 atoms of oxygen will be mass of 4 atoms of oxygen equal to 4 into 16, 64 AMU. So in this way we have calculated the relative atomic mass of various atoms which are present in the molecule of H2SO4. Now in order to calculate the relative molecular mass, we will add these values. So the relative molecular mass of H2SO4 can be calculated directly also by doing the calculation here only. 2 atoms of hydrogen are there, and since the relative atomic mass of 1 atom of hydrogen is 1, so 2 into 1 plus sulfur, its atomic mass is 32, plus atomic mass of 1 atom of oxygen is 16, so 4 atoms will be having 4 into 60. So 2 plus 32 plus 64. 34 plus 64 equal to 98 AMU. This is the way to calculate the relative molecular mass of different substances. So now you can do the questions which are based on relative molecular mass, and the next topic, percentage composition, we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.